In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email campaign in Constant Contact. We'll walk through the full process from logging in to adding your audience, building a polished email from a template, scheduling it, and finally checking your results. By the end, you'll be ready to send a professional campaign with confidence. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, take a moment to orient yourself with the dashboard so you know where to find contacts, campaigns, and reporting. Having your logo, brand colors, and any images ready on your computer will make the next steps easier. Next, add or import your contacts. Head to the contacts area and choose how you want to bring people in. You can type in a few contacts manually or upload a file if you have a list. As you import, review the field mapping so names, email addresses, and any tags land in the right place. Organizing contacts into a specific list now will help you target the correct people later. It's a good practice to keep your list permission-based and remove obvious duplicates to protect deliverability. Now, create your email campaign from a template. Go to Campaigns and start a new email. Browse the template gallery and pick a layout that aligns with your goal, whether it's a promotion, a newsletter, or an announcement. Templates save time and are already optimized for both desktop and mobile. Customize the email to match your brand and message. Replace placeholder text with clear, concise copy that explains your offer or update. Swap in your images, making sure they're high quality and sized appropriately. Update buttons with action-oriented phrases like shop now or learn more, and link them to the right pages. Adjust colors and fonts to reflect your brand and make sure every link works by testing it in the editor. Keep paragraphs scannable and use headings to guide the reader. A simple layout with one main call to action often performs best. When you're happy with the content, choose your contact list and set your send time. Select the list you prepared earlier, double check the audience size, and pick a schedule that fits your audience's routine. Consider your time zone and typical engagement hours for the best visibility. After your email is sent, review your reports to track opens, clicks, and engagement. Head to the reporting section to see how many people opened, which links got the most clicks, and where engagement was strongest. Use these insights to refine your next campaign. Keep what worked, adjust what didn't, and continue building momentum with your audience. That's it. You've created, sent, and measured a Constant Contact email campaign from start to finish.